Hi, I'm miltonchang of Bonsai I have 4 Zelkova bonsai in front of me. I'd like to talk a little bit about the virtues of or the benefits of having Zelkova as a bonsai material. To give you a little introduction, these are the Zelkova serrata, which is the Japanese variety. There's also Chinese variety that's called Zelkova sinica, which obviously. And they are particularly good bonsai material for 2 reasons. One is that they are very hardy. If you neglect it to water for a few days and catch up, soak it and so forth to remedy, it will be fine. And in fact, they survive drought and flood in China, and one of the few trees that are remaining. And they grow into towering trees. I will show you one that I did, and in a sense grew from a cutting. And so that means they can get thick trunk fairly rapidly. So you have thick trunk, rapid ramification. The leaf reduces in size. For example, I pull off a couple of leaves. That's the leaves when it first came out in the spring. It's rather large, but then you can see it reduces with the more ramification. That means branching. So when you get a bonsai, Zelkova bonsai from us, all you have to do is just clip off the ones that seem to be growing outside of the range. And just to keep it tidy, and if you think it's tidy, that means you think it's good looking, it's good enough for you, and it's, you're the master, it's by definition right. So you can do no wrong, just clipping away at it, and that's all you have to do. And in addition to Zelkova being a good material, you can buy them anywhere, that our bonsais are particularly well implemented. We actually coined the term Bonsai Uncompromised because every one of the trees go out of there have to meet my qualification standards before they will go out. So you can buy them with assurance. And you can be assured they're potted in Pescadero sandy loam, rich sandy loam, that drains as well as retains water and lets air in. And we put a screen for root pruning, so you don't have to change the pots as frequently, maybe 5 years or even 10 years at a time. And it's very easy just to cut off a little bit around the edges and put it right back in. And finally, we also have a patent pending pot. Well, basically, we respect the tradition, and so our bonsai are traditionally shaped, but more natural. That's what you expect to find in nature. But to the tradition that we respect, we build on with innovation, with what we learned since. And because a lot of the myths or a lot of the carry-on rules are from old timers, which applies to their case. For example, it turns out in Japan, it almost rains every month, every day. Not quite every day, but every month. So the term, keep your bonsai on the dry side, works for them. And frankly, it does not work for us. With a reasonable soil like we have, water once a day, water twice a day, 3 times a day, it doesn't matter. Your trees will thrive. And with a little clipping, it will become your masterpiece. So I hope you enjoy our bonsai, and thank you very much.